brought some sketchy replacement parts. iPhone 8 lithium-ion battery. This and the screen in black. That's my new screen. I'm gonna leave the screen protector on this to contain the glass. Alright, I'm gonna need to get a hairdryer for about 90 seconds. That should be enough, but now I need to quickly find this. Oh my god. I'm inside. Alright, there's the insides of my iPhone. That right there is my old display. I haven't broken something yet. I'm gonna have to now take out the battery. I've removed the Wi-Fi diversity antenna. That right there is your Taptic engine. Now time to do probably the most infuriating part, I've been told. Getting rid of the battery. Beautiful. A slightly bent battery. Perfectly safe for the whole family. That right there. It took me way too long to get rid of all the battery adhesive. Now time for the new one. Oh boy. Alright, time for the sketchiest part of them all, the Touch ID removal. I've put everything back in the phone. Probably should disconnect the battery. But now we have to move on to the screen. Home button is out. Oh no. I tore apart the... Alright, now I've got all the stuff that I need in my phone. That didn't end up very well. Get that crunch. I forgot. Beautiful, fresh, clean screen. I do have to wait 12 minutes for it to work. So. Okay. Yep, Touch ID works. It's just the camera. Back camera works. What? The front camera works. I tore off the cable. Does the proximity sensor work? What is wrong with that? Beautiful. Does it have 3D touch? Yep. Well, I fixed it. I'm gonna switch to it probably. boom, this was my phone that I was using. This is my old iPhone 6S. It is very bad battery. So in total it took me 1 hour and 30 minutes to repair it. And I destroyed my front earpiece speaker and proximity sensor, so I can't take calls anymore. And my brightness sensor, so if I go in the dark, turn my phone on, I'll get flashbanged by the brightness. But overall, was a success. So thanks for watching this video. Like it if you liked it, don't like if you didn't, and goodbye.